gives the time to the industry to help all of us get better.
When we connect all these kind of components, you could actually improve this customer experience. All of a sudden, it's a unified journey, it's consistent messaging, it's being able to pick up where you left off very easily. What you get, and what we're trying to do with a lot of our partners, is how do you take all this sort of stitched together analytics, this integrated analytics, and start to make it easier to bucket people and make it easy to take action. Another example is compliance, right? There isn't really a lot of connectivity in that compliance. All of a sudden, we could provide real detailed choice to the consumer. Like, hey, these are the 50 things we use on our website, and here's why. And maybe the consumer, if this is all integrated, can actually choose which one they want to actually use. Another kind of example of how you can use these integrations to really understand things, we do a lot of abandonment analysis in our industry, right? Like, we could study each individual independent journey and just see how they convert, or do it in aggregate. All of a sudden, you can understand abandonments, and you could actually coordinate with all of the different vendors. So you could have a chat tool that's now a digital retailing tool, or a digital retailing tool that has a trade-in functionality. Well, if everyone's kind of doing a little bit more, well, tying them all together will make it easier for dealers to actually be able to use any number of systems, but it be kind of like a seamless experience for their shoppers. All of that journey data that's stitched together from 10 other vendors into one single model, you're starting to see deeper opportunities to tie ID numbers of people and create segments that are more robust, to use abandonments across all of the vendors to actually better target advertising. You could do some really exciting things if you actually had better integration. So thank you very much, and if you want to reach us, go to orbee.com and there's my email.